Hello everyone, Kayla here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is What the Kink, where I take a very simple approach to my hair care practices because ain't nobody got time. I'm not so sure about this wash and go that I'm wearing today. I'm like out trying new stuff, but it is what it is, and we are going to move into these empties. I just realized at this moment that some of them are in the frame. So I used to do empties videos, bringing it back because there is nothing like the joy of finishing a product. So if you like empties videos, please watch them, support your girl. And if you want to see more products, you want me to try more stuff on my channel, then you gotta watch the videos without your ad blocker. Help a sister out and engage with the video below. Okay, so moving on. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a couple of things that I have duplicates of. So you guys will have seen recently, if you're a supporter, you will have seen my Sugar Bear hair video. So I have here 3 bottles of Sugar Bear hair because I wanted to take it for several months to give it a fair shot to see if it would actually do anything on my hair. And we are still waiting to see that link check video to see if my hair grew past the number 8 line, because y'all know me and that number 8 line, we in a battle. We've been in a battle for years, honey. It takes some doing for my hair to grow past that line. So we're gonna see if Sugar Bear had anything to do, and then after that I might try another growth thing or method or whatever, just to see, Next up, we have almost the entire green collection. And the bamboo spoon, sis. The bamboo spoon is here, okay? So I don't know if this is recyclable, but we gonna learn. We gonna learn today, or rather on recycling day, we gonna learn if they actually will recycle this or not. I mean, it's wood. I don't know. So what we have here, because people were voting on a poll on my community tab, trying to figure out what product I still had left. So let's see which one is still left. I still have that product. So this is the curl cleanser. I used this up. It's a small shampoo, so it didn't take me long to finish this one. And then I have here the bamboo protein treatment, which was basically a leave-in conditioner. It was pretty nice. This is the green tea hair rinse. This was gone like with the first thing, just about. I mean, I used this up. It was gone. So, and then last year we have the sea kelp and cucumber hair mask, which if you watch my video, you guys know that I really did not like this. So definitely, if you're interested in content on these, there's a one brand wash day with these products, and then there's also a full review of these products, so go check that out. But yeah, they were used up in this season. By the way, did I mention these are seasonal empties? So this is 3 months, a whole season worth of empties. Yeah, my bad. See, I keep forgetting stuff because I ain't done this in a while. All right, so here I have 3 bottles or jars of the Mielle Mongogo Oil Hydrating Conditioner. I have 3 bottles because I bought one at CVS and I was like, I don't know why I bought it at CVS. Oh yeah, because I couldn't get it for Black Friday because buying it singularly would have cost me more with the Black Friday deals and stuff. So I left it alone. And then Sally Beauty had a sale, and it was a ridiculous sale, so then I bought 2 more. And this one doesn't have the thing on it because the ones from Sally Beauty had the tape on the side, and I could not get the tape off without removing the label, but whatever. So I have a video on this. This is an awesome deep conditioner. I have other deep conditioners that I like that I also purchase like multiples or purchase large sizes of. So I will not be repurchasing this for the moment, but I will as soon as I'm done using up all my other stuff. I'm not a one product woman, you know what I'm saying? If I like something, I like it, I'm gonna go for it, So I have a deep conditioner rotation, it's not just one. Okay, so this is actually funny. I have an assortment of Wetline Extreme gels, because y'all know, or you may not know if you've never seen me before, but that's my favorite hair gel. It's not on my hair today, but it's my favorite hair gel. Actually, no, never mind. I use it as a finisher on my hair today, but it's not the gel I used. So this is Wetline Extreme regular size. This is big size. Then I have a little small one because I needed to top off this one because I was trying to film a video and I didn't want to change my hair gel because the video was not about my hair gel. So a little one to top off. And then when I went to Hawaii, and see, you got to be watching and supporting because you would have known I went to Hawaii and I showed you how I packed tons of hair products. I did my hair in Hawaii, y'all. tons of products in a carry-on, and I had styling options too, because I wasn't about to go down for a whole 7 days and be looking raggedy in paradise. So go check out that video. I don't even know what it's called. I think I changed the title, but it's not that old. You can go check it out. Something about packing, carry-on, travel, something like that. But yeah, I got one of these too, because I was squeezing this into my my little carry-on little bottle things. So 3 different sizes of wet line, because your girl ain't playing. Your girl ain't playing. Okay, so let's keep the gel rolling. Keep the gel rolling. Keep the gel rolling. I don't know why. But this is the Soultanicals Frozen Drip and Grip Gel. That's not what's in my hair either. But y'all, this, I ain't gonna say too much because the video is gonna come up after this one, because I do pre-film a lot of my videos. But my empties I tend not to pre-film because I want to be as close to the actual season change as possible. By the time you guys see this, spring will have begun on Wednesday. I'm actually filming at the beginning of that week. So you see what I'm wearing. Florida is being disrespectful. Why am I wearing this? I was wearing a sleeveless dress and sandals last week. Like, what's really happening? But anyway, so check out the review on this. This is coming up next week. And spoiler, I like it. I like it. All right, so we have here the Ultra Moisturizing Cocoa Aloe Deep Conditioner from Coils by Nature. I just really love the brand so much, but I've tried 2 things from them and I haven't really liked them. So I might try something else yet again. If you guys like something from Coils by Nature, definitely let me know in the comments what it is that you like from Coils by Nature so that I can try it. But this just wasn't doing it for me. There is a video. It's a video that I put out towards the end of last year. So you can definitely go check it out and see how I felt about it. But spoiler alert, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. All right, so this is the Coconut Restore Cream Conditioner Cleanser. You bet your bottom dollar your girl did not use this like a cleanser because it has no cleansing ingredients at all. But it was a bomb detangler, sis. Oh my God, it was a bomb detangler. You can see me pouring this into those carry-on bottles in that video when I was getting ready to go to Hawaii. You can see me liberally pouring this into the bottles to take it with me because this is what I use to reset my hair. And then also, you can see a video on which I'm talking about this and one other newer product from Coconut Restore. And that video didn't get a lot of support. I know the lighting is crappy in that video. My hair doesn't look super pretty and all that in that video. But I think it's valuable content. So you want to know more about how I feel about this product, definitely go check out that video. And plus just support me so I can get more coins to buy more products to try. You see how that works? Cool. And the last product that I have here is the Sweet Nature by Eddie Heavy Butter Moisturizer Super Hydrating Hair and Skin Butter. I didn't do a video on this. Ooh, I'm surprised I'm able to hit that note. I'll tell you why in a second. But anyway, the reason you didn't see a video on this is because my husband and I use this on our bodies. We did not put in our hair. I have had brands and companies send me things that are like butters. I don't turn them down, especially if they are without animal ingredients, because most companies, I tell them up straight up, don't send me none with no animal products in it. So she sent this to me and I immediately started using it on my legs after I got out the shower. And then my husband likes to put it on his face, especially around his beard. So he kept saying, stop using all the beard butter. Where's the beard butter? That's what he calls this, even though he doesn't really grow a beard. He grows like a little hair here and it gets scratchy and he scratches me with it, like scratching my face and stuff with it. So he usually uses coconut oil, but he started using this, and then now that it's gone, he's back on the coconut oil. So we use this as body butter, and anyone who's ever sent me a butter, it always is body butter for me. It sits right by the shower, and I will say that this is good. It smells good and it's great, so go check it out. But I would not recommend putting this on your hair. Like, why? Just why? I think most of us have realized now that butters are not stylers. Okay, so the reason why I'm surprised that I hit the note, and if you haven't already realized throughout the whole video, I am having my yearly bronchitis. I have a reoccurrence of bronchitis. I get it every year. It starts off as a cold or whatever, and then you get like an infection, and then it moves to where my speaking voice is affected. I'm able to speak better now than I was the last 2 days, and then I have a cough the whole time, especially at night because the postnasal drip. So I cough, and then I'll start to feel fine, and I'll just cough for a whole month, and then I can speak fine. But like certain notes, like if I'm trying to sing, I cannot hit certain notes. It goes away. It does last a really long time, but I'm totally used to it. I have taken medicine one time because I was having to go to the doctor for something else at the same time that I had it, and he was like, "Oh snap, you got bronchitis," and he gave me medicine, and that was cool. But I typically just go untreated with my bronchitis because I know what it is, I know what it gonna do, and I'm used to it. So I gotta go to Walmart, pick up some groceries, and then I gotta get a appointment for my new fur baby. She's over there. I got a cat, y'all. I'm a cat lady now. Might put her picture on Instagram or something. But I want to see if I can get an appointment for her today at the vet and see what's going on with my baby girl. She's super cute. But anyway, if you guys would like to see something specific from my channel, like, Kayla, I need you to do a video on this, I need to see this in my life, a technique, a product, or whatever, definitely leave that in the comments below. And of course, continue to engage with my videos. That's commenting, liking or disliking, sharing, because YouTube says, hey, let's promote this to other people. And then of course, if you watch my videos with your ad blocker off, girl, get my coins so that I can buy some more stuff so that you don't have to buy it. Simple as that. All right, so I will talk to you guys in my next video.